very warm welcome to the second Probiota Asia.
Asia Pacific dominates globally the marketplace when it comes to probiotics.
Critical for a product's success is that it does what it says on the label, and that when people take it, they get a benefit, and they'll continue to keep taking it.
Over 1,000 clinical studies with probiotics have been performed.
Gut health is not just about the gut microbiota. Key factors include the lifestyle, our diet. We've also got the gut-brain link, and that's a two-way street.
I always have fun at these events.
So far, so good.
So far, we've made a lot of contacts and have been well received.
It brings together industry, academics, regulators. That's what's really unique and different.
Everyone in the probiotic industry is here, so it's a great way to catch up with people.
So I've got more business cards than I can handle, and it's been fantastic. There's people that will actually go back to Melbourne, and as of tomorrow, I'll probably go and see in Sydney as soon as possible because we just made great relationships.
We were able to exchange information with probiotics experts, researchers, as well as friends from the same industry.
Networking with the industry members that are present is key to maintaining relationships and also learning from the other companies that present as well and researchers that present so we can keep up with current science.
Consumers are becoming more demanding, so one size fits all, that doesn't exist anymore.
The promotion of health can be definitely impacted by the administration of probiotics.
So we want to understand how we can tailor the nutrition for our consumer.
I normally attend a lot of trade shows and conventions, but attending an event like this is far more beneficial for myself and the company as there's a lot more information rather than just products that are presented.
There's a lot of good coverage from recent research to regulatory matters. There is also a lot of good conversations from brand owners.
Favorite part of the event is the round table discussion during lunch where we eat and we all like-minded people sit together.
And my favourite part was the networking event last night at Marina Bay Sands. I mean, firstly I hadn't been there before, so it was a fantastic opportunity, but it was just it's really nice to see people on an industry level, but also see people as themselves and get to know people and understand things about them that you wouldn't have learnt otherwise. And I think that's actually part of relationship building, so I found that a really important highlight for me.
We've had 3 fantastic days of discussion and debate about the state of the probiotics industry here in Asia Pacific, and I think there are probably 3 big takeaways that we've learned from the summit. First of all, it's really evident that the pace of industry innovation and new product development is not being kept up with when it comes to regulations and rules. There's a real gap between what products are trying to do, how they're trying to help consumers, and what the regulations are enabling them to do, especially when it comes to making health claims. Secondly, I think it's really evident that the market here in Asia Pacific is absolutely booming. It's driving the growth globally, but with that also comes some problems. We have heard about issues such as health washing, which has the danger of drawing the probiotics industry into disrepute by aligning itself with products that aren't especially healthy. And we saw, for example, products such as potato chips, full-fat ice creams that contain a very small number of probiotics. And finally, I think it's really clear that we've seen through the discussions that there's a lot of work that needs to be done around clinical trials, especially when it comes to the potential of probiotics away from gut and digestive health. There's a real need for more trials, well-designed trials, to help boost the credibility of probiotics when we're looking at those other health benefits.